Standard 12 exercise 8.3. Calculate the energies of the photons associated with the following radiation. 1. Violet rate of 413 nanometer. 2. X-rays of 0.1 nanometer. 3. Radio waves of 10 meter. 1. Violet light. Here the lambda value is 413 nanometer. So which is equal to 413 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. We have to find out the energy of photon. So E is equal to hc by lambda. So it is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 413 into 10 raised to minus 9. Okay. So if you multiply this, you will be getting it as 19.87 into 10 raised to minus 26 divided by 413 into 10 raised to minus 9. Okay. So you will be getting it as 0.048 into 10 raised to minus 17 joules. So if you want to convert it into electron volt, we have to divide it by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So here it is minus 17. So you will be getting it as 0.03 into 10 raised to minus plus 2. Okay. So you will be getting it as 3 electron volt. Okay. The answer you will be getting it as what? 3 electron volt. Now second one. For X-rays, the lambda value is 0.1 nanometer. So it is 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter, or you can write 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Anything is correct. So here we have to find out the energy. E is equal to hc by lambda. 626 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 1 into 10 raised to minus 10. So you will be getting here it as 1.987 into 10 raised to minus 15. Okay. So this is in joules, we will get it as. Okay. So here if you want to convert it into electron volt, you have to divide it by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So when you divide this, you will be getting it as 12423.87 electron volts. So this can be written as 12434 electron volts. Radio waves. The third one is radio waves. The wavelength is given as 10 meter. Okay. So we have to find out the energy. E is equal to hc by lambda. So it is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 10. So what will you get it here is 1.987 into 10 raised to minus 15 divided by 10. So which is 1.987 into 10 raised to minus 14. Okay. So if you want to convert it into joules, you will be getting this 1.2424 into 10 raised to minus 7. So if you write this, you can get it as what? 1.24 into 10 raised to minus 7 electron volts.